The fury unleashed, devastation and resilience in Iceland's evacuated towns. Welcome to our channel. In this captivating video, we explore the lasting effects of Iceland's erupting volcano on the evacuated towns. Witness the incredible devastation and unwavering resilience displayed by the affected communities in the face of nature's fury. Join us as we delve into the heart-wrenching tales of displacement, reconstruction, and the incredible human spirit. Discover the profound impact that this volcanic eruption has had on the lives of the people who once called these towns home. Through first-hand accounts and remarkable footage, we shed light on the challenges, emotions, and unforgettable stories that have unfolded amidst the chaos. Explore with us the aftermath of this natural disaster as we take you through the abandoned streets now filled with a haunting silence. Experience the profound stillness and eerie atmosphere that these once vibrant communities now embody. Witness the resilience and strength of the locals as they band together, forging a path toward recovery and rebirth. Marvel at their determination to rebuild their lives and infrastructure from the ground up, while grappling with the memories of the destruction that unfolded before their eyes. Join us as we travel through the history and culture of these once thriving towns now forever marked by an unforgettable chapter in their story. Experience the unique and untold tales of human spirit rising against all odds, proving that even in the face of adversity, hope prevails. So buckle up and get ready for a gripping journey into the shadow of Iceland's erupting volcano. Prepare to witness the devastation, resilience, and the enduring human spirit that defines these evacuated towns. The land of fire and ice, Iceland, is currently grappling with the ominous presence of an erupting volcano, disrupting the lives of residents and leaving an entire town evacuated. As the lava flows and ash clouds paint a dramatic landscape, the prospects of returning home for those affected seem distant, with experts suggesting that the wait might extend for months. In this article, we delve into the unfolding situation, exploring the challenges faced by the evacuated town and the potential timeline for residents to resume their normal lives. In recent weeks, a volcanic eruption in the Reykjanes Peninsula has captured the attention of the world. The Fagradalsfjall volcano, dormant for nearly 6,000 years, suddenly roared to life, spewing lava fountains and plumes of ash into the Icelandic sky. While the spectacle has drawn admirers and tourists eager to witness the raw power of nature, it has also forced the evacuation of nearby towns, including Grindavik. Immediate evacuation, the eruption's unpredictability and the potential dangers associated with volcanic activity prompted authorities to take swift action. Residents of Grindavik, a picturesque coastal town known for its fishing industry and proximity to the Blue Lagoon, were evacuated to ensure their safety. The urgency of the situation left little room for hesitation, and families left behind their homes and possessions, uncertain of when they would return. As the volcanic activity continues, with lava steadily flowing from the fissures and ash clouds drifting across the peninsula, the prospects of a swift return to normalcy for evacuated residents are fading. The immediate concern is the unpredictable nature of the eruption, making it challenging for authorities to determine a safe timeline for residents to return to their homes. In addition to the immediate threat posed by the eruption, the infrastructure of the evacuated town is likely to face challenges. Lava flows and ashfall can cause significant damage to roads, buildings, and utilities. The process of assessing and repairing this infrastructure will be time-consuming and may contribute to the prolonged evacuation period. Geologists, volcanologists, and emergency response teams are closely monitoring the situation, assessing the behavior of the volcano and the potential risks to the evacuated town. Continuous evaluation of seismic activity, gas emissions, and lava flow patterns will guide authorities in determining when it is safe for residents to return. In the face of adversity, the evacuated residents of Grindavik display remarkable resilience. Communities are coming together, supporting each other through this challenging period. While uncertainty looms large, the determination to rebuild and return to normalcy is a testament to the strength of the human spirit. As the Fagradalsfjall volcano continues its fiery display, the evacuated town of Grindavik remains in the shadow of uncertainty. The impact of the eruption on the landscape and infrastructure, coupled with ongoing volcanic activity, suggests that the road to recovery may be lengthy. For now, residents wait patiently, hoping for a safe return to their homes and the resumption of the lives they were forced to put on hold. In this ever-changing volcanic landscape, the resilience of the community and the expertise of scientists will play crucial roles in determining when the town can emerge from the shadows cast by the erupting volcano.